Hi, I'm DevRow. Welcome to the 5th devlog. Bob, what's wrong? Turn around, please. No, fully. 180. What's that in your hand? No, you can't call him that. No, I am not having this discussion. Who is he? What do you mean he can work? He's not working? Yes, he has a funny head button. Or you want me to make him work? That's what we do this week, yeah? Can you catch him? Thank you. So, that's what you think automation means. So that's what we do this week. We make those little guys work for you. Because you don't want to anymore. So, you heard Bob. That's what we're gonna do today, this week. It's all about automation. So Bob doesn't have to work anymore. So we're gonna dip into all of the funny stuff, like making those little guys walk around, do their tasks, chop wood, gather stone, and put it in the right place. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did so, why not like, share, subscribe, drink some water. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.